Trying to line up furniture, install tile, or handle home renovations without the right tools can quickly turn into a frustrating mess. Even small alignment mistakes can ruin the final result. Luckily, today's laser levels are way more accurate, easier to use, and perfect for both DIY projects and professional construction work, helping you get cleaner, straighter results without all the hassle. In this video, I'll be showing you the 5 best laser levels for construction available right now and helping you figure out which one fits your projects and budget the best. If you want to check the latest prices or get more information about any of these laser levels, you'll find all the links in the video description and the first comment below. Let's start with the Huepar laser level, a super versatile option that really stands out thanks to its 3x 360-degree laser coverage, impressive battery life, and solid accuracy for both professional jobs and DIY projects around the house. With full horizontal and vertical coverage, this model makes it way easier to install tile, line up cabinets, mount drop ceilings, or handle renovation projects with cleaner and more precise results. One of the biggest highlights here is the bright green laser, which is much easier to see than traditional red laser models, especially in bright rooms or larger workspaces where visibility really matters. This option also delivers a working range of around 80 feet, while the pulse mode can extend the distance up to roughly 200 feet when paired with a compatible detector. That makes it a great fit not only for indoor projects, but also for larger construction jobs where extra range can make a huge difference. Another feature that makes this model really practical is the smart self-leveling system. It automatically corrects small tilts to keep your lines perfectly straight while you work. And if you need angled lines for custom installations or decorative projects, the manual mode lets you lock the laser exactly where you want it. Battery life is another strong point. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts for long work sessions without constantly needing a recharge. On top of that, the kit includes an adjustable tripod that extends up to 47 inches, along with full 360-degree rotation and vertical tilt adjustments for easier positioning from different angles. You also get a compact and durable design with shock-resistant rubber protection, a magnetic mounting base, carrying bag, and even a 5-year warranty, making this one of the most complete and best value laser levels available right now. Next up, we have the RockSeed laser level, a really solid option for anyone looking for good accuracy, bright green laser lines, and easy-to-use self-leveling features for home projects, remodeling, or DIY work. This model offers a working range of around 100 feet, along with horizontal, vertical, and cross-line projection with a wide 110-degree angle. That makes it super useful for installing tile, leveling cabinets, mounting shelves, or lining up decorative structures with a lot less hassle. One of the best things about this option is the 4-degree automatic self-leveling system. Instead of wasting time making manual adjustments, the laser automatically keeps the lines straight for you. If the surface angle goes beyond the leveling range, the laser starts flashing as to warning. And for more custom setups, the manual mode lets you lock the lines and work at different angles without restrictions. Another really useful feature is the 360-degree rotation support when paired with a tripod or compatible magnetic mount. That flexibility makes it much easier to work at different heights or positions, especially during renovations or more detailed installation jobs where precise alignment matters. You also get a compact and lightweight design that's easy to carry between job sites. On top of that, this model includes IP54 protection, helping resist dust, splashes, and small impacts during everyday use. The reinforced housing can even handle drops from around 4 feet, giving it a much more durable feel overall. Battery life is another strong point here. It's designed for efficient power consumption, so you can work for long periods without constant interruptions. The package also includes a battery, carrying bag, and a 2-year after-sales warranty, making this one of the best value laser levels available right now for both beginners and more advanced users. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the DEWALT laser level, a model built for durability, fast self-leveling, and reliable performance even on tougher construction jobs. It's a great option for anyone who wants a laser level that feels solid, accurate, and ready for daily use on the job site. This model projects bright red horizontal and vertical cross lines, making it much easier to install tile, line up cabinets, mount drop ceilings, or handle renovation work with cleaner and more professional results. One of the biggest advantages here is that you won't waste time constantly making manual adjustments while working. A major highlight is the smart self-leveling system, which automatically corrects small angles to keep your lines perfectly straight. It also includes a really useful continuous pulse mode, helping improve laser visibility in different lighting conditions and making the tool more stable for larger work areas. Another thing that makes this option stand out is the 12-volt rechargeable DEWALT battery platform. Thanks to the lithium-ion battery system, you get strong battery life for longer work sessions without constantly swapping batteries. That's especially helpful for bigger remodeling projects or long days on site. The built-in magnetic mounting bracket is another practical feature. You can attach it directly to metal surfaces or steel tracks for easier positioning while working. It's also compatible with different mounting accessories, giving you more flexibility depending on the type of installation or layout you're working on. On top of all that, this laser level comes with an extremely durable overmolded housing and IP65 protection, helping it resist dust, water splashes, and rough job site conditions without a problem. With its mix of accuracy, toughness, and easy operation, this model easily ranks as one of the best value laser levels for construction available right now. Now let's move on to the PREXISO laser level, a really versatile option that combines bright green laser lines, a rechargeable battery, and easy self-leveling features for smoother indoor projects and renovation work. This model delivers a working range of up to 100 feet, making it great for installing tile, leveling cabinets, lining up windows, or handling construction projects with cleaner and more professional-looking results. One thing that really helps this option stand out is its pair of high-precision laser modules, capable of projecting horizontal, vertical, and cross lines in different working modes. Thanks to the wide projection angle, the vertical beam can easily extend from the floor all the way to the ceiling. That makes alignment jobs much easier when working on walls, ceilings, or larger remodeling projects where accuracy really matters. It also includes a 4-degree automatic self-leveling system, which helps save time by correcting small tilts automatically instead of forcing you to make constant manual adjustments. If the surface angle goes beyond the leveling range, the laser flashes as a warning. And for more specialized installations, the manual mode lets you lock the lines and work at custom angles without any problem. Another really useful feature is the built-in 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging. You can power it using wall chargers, laptops, or portable battery packs, which is way more convenient than constantly replacing disposable batteries. You also get a 360-degree rotating magnetic base and an adjustable tripod that extends up to around 37 inches, making it much easier to position the laser exactly where you need it. On top of that, the durable housing helps resist dust, wear, and small impacts, while the rubberized coating improves grip during use. With its balance of precision, battery life, and easy operation, this model easily stands out as one of the best value laser levels available right now. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the CIGMAN laser level, a model designed for more advanced projects thanks to its 12 bright green, 360-degree laser lines, and impressive accuracy for construction and renovation work. Its full 3D laser system can project lines across walls, ceilings, and floors at the same time, making jobs like tile installation, cabinet alignment, framing, and other detailed projects much faster and easier. This setup gives you much better coverage without constantly moving the tool around. Another big advantage is the combination of self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, giving you more flexibility depending on the type of project you're working on. The self-leveling system automatically corrects small angles within about 4 degrees, while the manual mode is perfect for custom angled layouts. And when working in larger spaces, the pulse mode can extend the range from around 100 feet up to 165 feet with a compatible receiver. One feature that really improves the overall experience is the included remote control. You can adjust brightness levels or activate different laser lines without having to walk back and forth to the device every few minutes. That makes a huge difference during longer installations or when working on ladders in elevated areas. This option also includes a built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging, giving you solid battery life for longer work sessions. On top of that, the compact housing comes with IP54 protection, helping resist dust and water splashes during daily job site use. You also get a pretty complete accessory kit, including a mini tripod, magnetic L-shaped bracket, carrying bag, and USB-C cable. With its combination of precision, versatility, and useful extras, this model easily stands out as one of the best value laser levels available right now. That's it for today. Hopefully this video helped you find the perfect laser level for construction, home renovations, tile installation, or DIY projects. Let us know in the comments if there's another laser level you'd like to see in a future comparison video. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool and tech content. If you want more details or the latest prices for any of these laser levels, be sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.